Hi, I'm Tom Fuchs, the Senior Construction Manager for the Metro Flood Diversion Authority. Work on the FM Area Diversion project continues at full speed across numerous work sites in the region. Let's start at the north, where the stormwater diversion channel will eventually have an outlet that connects it back to the Red River, and work our way south. ASN Constructors continues to excavate the channel and build the berms that line the sides. They have progressed farther south to work on reaches 4 and 5, which are west and southwest of Harwood, North Dakota. That's hardly their only project, though. They broke ground on the first of 11 drainage inlets where water from tributaries will enter the channel. At Drain 30, which is southeast of Argusville, North Dakota, ASN completed structural excavation and is installing concrete pipes. Once the pipes are finished, cast-in-place concrete headwalls will be formed and poured at each end of the inlet before backfill is placed. As the work occurs, flows are maintained in the existing drain that passes through the channel to its existing outlet at the Cheyenne River. Once the drain inlet is complete and the channel downstream is ready, flows will be diverted to the new inlet structure where they will move under the left embankment, through the concrete pipes, and into the channel. Continuing south brings us into the heart of Fargo-Moorhead. Much of the in-town work, which is critical to the project's operation, has been completed, and the City of Fargo is working on some of the last features for that portion of the comprehensive project. 2 new lift stations and associated storm sewer improvements are underway near 42nd Street South and Drain 27. As floodwaters crest on our rivers, storm sewer lift stations, such as these, maintain drainage and flow capacity throughout the city, keeping streets and homes dry. The 2 new lift stations will provide a combined pumping capacity of 54,000 gallons per minute and will serve nearly 1,200 acres of interior watershed throughout Fargo's Anderson Park, Point West, and Woodhaven neighborhoods. As our tour brings us to the south end of Fargo, we can see the start of what will be the Metro Flood Diversion Authority Administration Building. 180,000 cubic yards of material is being placed to raise the future building site to the same level as the nearby southern embankment and provide line of sight during operational events. As a permanent North Dakota political subdivision, the MFDA will ensure ongoing operations and maintenance of the infrastructure in partnership with the Red River Valley Alliance for decades to come. Moving even farther south brings us to the control structures. Lots of concrete has been going down at the Red River structure. Ames Construction formed and installed rebar for the structure's abutments and has completed multiple concrete pours for the Stilling Basin foundations, approach wall foundations, and abutments. When they finish, there will be 72,000 cubic yards of concrete forming the structure. That's enough to fill 20 Olympic-sized swimming pools. We will end this month's tour nearby at the Wild Rice River structure. Ames is forming the East Floodwall Bridge Deck and continued constructing portions of the southern embankment extending from the control structure to the I-29 road raise. When it's done, the components will work together to temporarily store floodwater to the south before releasing it into the channel, where it will flow north 30 miles before draining back into the Red River. Thanks for taking this month's drone tour with me. For more project updates, follow us on social media.